Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make your GitHub profile amazing. So first go to github.com, then create a new repository. Now here the repository name should be exactly same as your username. So as you can see that once I typed the exact username, there is this extra information which came up which says that this is a special repository. Right now I will keep everything as it is. I will add a readme file and I create the repository. Now once it is available, you can see that the readme is almost empty. Now what I will do is that I will add all the elements so that it looks amazing. So first I remove the comments. Now first we will add this particular thing. So check my past bin link and add that particular link after in the readme file. So you have to type in the exact same order, right? And then you can just say it as GitHub stats, right? So remember to rename to change your username with the highlighted text so that it is available for your profile, right? So for example, if your username is John Doe 200, you have to type something like this, but my username is so special 400. So I will check the preview and now you can see that it is showing me all these stats, right? So now after that I will create the languages that I use for my coding purpose. So again in the same style, exclamation, then rectangular bracket. Inside rectangular bracket you have to type the alt text. You can type anything but top languages works, and in the round brackets you have to put the link. Now again remember to change the username, right? So once I do that, you can check in the preview of how it looks like. So as you can see that this is showing me correct stats. And now comes the third part, which is adding icons, right? So again copy the third link and go to that third link, and you can check you can change whatever you want to add. For example, I want to add HTML, so you have to put HTML in the URL, right? And this E34F26 is the color, is the background color that you see, right? Now for logo you can do the same, right? Now for checking what all options are available for you in the icons, you can go to this link and you can search for for your language. For example, for CSS it is CSS3. In the same way you can search for JavaScript, etc, etc, right? So I can change the background color as well, and I can change this to CSS, right? I can keep the logo color as is but change the logo name to CSS3, and you can see that now CSS3 is visible, right, in the preview. Now you can copy the link and you can paste this at the top of the readme, right, with the syntax. So image tag, then src, inside src you have to put the link which you just copied from the URL, and now in the preview you can just verify if it is showing you the correct logo. Okay, you can keep it as it is and you can commit the changes, and once you commit you can go to your home page and this should be visible to you, right? Now you can extend this by adding more programming languages. You can add more fun elements, but I think that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.